Hi everyone, and welcome to Bob's Wood Stuff for another quick tip. This tip is about sawing grooves into a dowel, which is necessary if you're going to do doweling joints and you're going to glue it up. The glue needs somewhere to go, or else you can explode your joint or squeeze out all the glue, which is also bad. Here's an easy way to saw grooves into the dowel using a handsaw. So I just take my dowel and I put it in the vise like this, and then using the handsaw of your choice, place it on the top of the dowel, put your finger next to it to kind of guide it, and then just do some shallow cuts until you establish a groove. So that's enough right there for the glue to go in. And I'll do 3 more of these around the dowel to make sure there are enough. You don't have to saw it super deep, you just need a little bit of a ridge in there. That's a very easy and quick way to saw grooves into a dowel for joinery, and it gives you a little bit of practice with hand tools, which is always good. Thank you so much for watching, and please like and subscribe. Bye.